Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to unhide chats in line. Now let us begin. Do you know that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not done that, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to unhide chats. At the top right, you can see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, do note that there are lots of options right here, but what you need to do is simply scroll down till you see the general section. And right here, under the photos and videos, you can see something called as chat. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. What you guys need to do from here is simply scroll down, and right here at the bottom, you can see something called as hidden chats. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the chat that I had previously hidden. Right next to it, you can see the edit button. Click on it and just click on Unhide Chat. Well, you know that you also have the option to delete it. But right now, let's simply click on Unhide Chat. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, the chat will be unhidden. Well guys, that is it. That's how we unhide chats in line. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.